In the realm of video creation, a new player has entered the field: artificial intelligence. This isn't a sci-fi movie, this is reality. A reality that's transforming the way we create and consume content. AI offers several advantages. It's efficient, working around the clock, and it's consistent, producing quality content every time. AI can analyze data at a speed that no human can match, providing insights to tailor content to a specific audience. But it's not all rosy. AI lacks the human touch, the creativity and spontaneity that makes content truly unique. It can't grasp context or understand subtle nuances like we do. There are numerous AI services and applications out there, from automated video editing tools to AI-powered animation software. The key is to choose the one that best suits your needs. So how do you make videos with AI? It's simple. You provide the raw material, the AI processes it, and voila, you have your video. Remember, AI is a tool. It's up to you how to wield it. Use it to augment your creativity, not replace it. In the world of video creation, the future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence.